What's up YouTube, this is Shrikant once again. In my previous video I unboxed this RAM and showed you the details about this RAM and all the specifications, its configuration, its compatibility, etc. Now I'm going to show you how to install RAM into a CPU. So first you're going to have to open this thing up as I did, like this, and so I'm gonna have to check out the this motherboard, and you're gonna have to check out if this RAM slot is empty or not. Of course it's empty, and I just have to, these are the notches, you just have to pull this thing just like this, right? And this is the primary RAM that I have already in this PC, and what you gotta do is open this thing up like this and carefully make sure that you handle this thing very carefully, and you just have to make sure that this notch fits in here. As you can see, this should go inside this, so just keep it like this in its position here, and it fits there, and slowly, very gently push it downwards equally, not in its center position, but on both sides. You have to keep your thumbs and press it carefully, and this side as well. I think it's actually, yeah, that's it, it fits, and it fits there. And have to close these side locks, and that's it. RAM is fixed, and go ahead and power on. Go ahead and power on and check the RAM, and in your system properties you're going to have to check the memory that's installed RAM, how much it is. In this case I installed 4 GB of RAM here. So that's it for today, and I'll meet you in the next video. So cheers.